Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up contact key verification on iPhone. To enable this feature on your iPhone and to receive your contact key verification code, you're gonna have to go to settings, then open your account. Then in your account, you're gonna have to navigate all the way down this menu until you find contact key verification. Now switch this toggle on, then tap continue. Then wait for a couple of seconds until this feature is turned on, and then you'll be able to show your public verification code by tapping right here. If you hold your finger down on it, you'll be able to copy it and then share it with your friends or family. And to disable this feature, just switch this toggle to the left and select turn off. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.